Dear students, today we will further explore some other options of searching. So one of the option is to search within a range. For example, you want to search something that is available for buying between the range of 1000 to 2000. So you can write a query PKR 1000 dot PKR 2000. So this dot would mean that this is a continuous number from 1000 to 2000. So this is specifying the range. So if you click on it, then it will give you all of the links in which at the moment any of the thing which is available between 1000 to 2000 Pakistani rupees. And if you are further enhancing this query, for example with camera, so it will give you all of such cameras which are available, or camera accessories which are available between this numeric range. Then there is another concept of Boolean search. You can use two operators, one is called and another is called or. So you can write terms on both sides of these operators and they have a particular meaning. So for example, if you write and between two words, for example, you write computer science. So this and would mean that it will return all of those pages which have the term computer and science at any locations in that particular web page. You don't need to misinterpret this concept with double quotations. While if we remove this and use double quotation, this was giving you all of those pages which have exactly computer space science phrase. But if we are writing and without double quotations, this would mean that you will be given all of those pages and each page must contain computer term and science term. So this is one of the way of searching, and this is called a Boolean search because it is based on two terms and using a Boolean operator. We call and as a Boolean operator which takes two inputs and produce the required results. And please note that this and should be in caps lock. So you cannot write and. So this small and would mean the term, the normal term and. It is not the operator. So if you want to tell the operator to the Google, then it should be by caps lock on. And similarly, you can try or. Or query would mean that please give me all of the web pages which have either the term computer or the term science. And for or, you can also use pipe sign, which is available on the top of the enter key normally on the keyboards. So if your caps lock is broken, you can use this key as well in the case of or. So it would mean also the same thing as or. Then you can also search on a specific website. For example, you want to search virtual university on YouTube. So you would write virtual university site youtube.com. So this would give you all of the results of virtual university on YouTube. And you can also combine the previously learned operators, like if you put double quotations with virtual university, then it will search only those videos which have the exact phrase virtual university. Previously it was searching all videos which have either virtual or university term in their web page. But the important thing is, by specifying site colon and then the site name, it will only search on this particular website. Then you can also search related sites. For example, you have come across learning about YouTube, that it gives you different kind of videos. So you are interested to know that are there some other websites similar to YouTube, then you can simply write related colon YouTube. So it will give you different results. So Google has identified 47 different sites which are similar to YouTube, which are hosting the videos and users can watch. For example, Vimeo, GameSpot, IGN, Twitch, and some other websites. So here you can these are the websites which Google thinks that these are related to YouTube, are similar to YouTube. Then you can also try info tag. So if you write info colon youtube.com, so it will give you the information about this particular website. For example, it is saying that you enjoy the videos and music you love, upload original content and share it with all friends, family and the world on YouTube. So this is the nice description or information about this particular website which have come across after looking at info. Then you can also use cache. So sometime a website is down, but you can search a cached version of that website by Google. So for example, I have used the term cache and then YouTube. So it has given me the version which Google has cached previously. And then you can also search file types. For example, you are interested to search virtual university for all content which have file type PDF. So it will give you all of those documents which are PDF and which have virtual university as the term. And you can also use extension instead of file type. So ext you can also write. So if we summarize today's lecture, that today we have learned range numbers, how to perform range numbers, and what are and or Boolean queries, search within a site, related search, info site, and how to use the cached version of a website. So in upcoming lectures we will further explore Google in different search dimensions. Thank you very much.